This daily morning meditation will help you find one thing you'd like to focus on accomplishing today. Just one small thing to set your intentions on for the rest of your day, to make you feel productive and inspired by your own life, and to remind you that whatever you shine your focus and attention on, you can achieve. Let's begin by taking a moment to relax your body, softening any areas of tension you're feeling in your belly or your shoulders, and resting your hands in an easy and effortless way. Take a few deep breaths in and out with your eyes gently closed. Breathing in through the nose and holding it briefly at the top before you allow the breath to release. Feeling how your body loosens just a little bit more with every breath cycle. Feeling the sensations of the air leaving you and how it feels like you're creating space somehow. Each day, you're presented with an opportunity to be something new, something that you weren't yesterday. Maybe you have a goal of creating and growing your own business. Maybe you want to be a more patient version of who you already are. Maybe you want to be someone who's more purposeful in the ways you nurture your body with food. Or maybe you want to create more time in your day for things that bring you joy and peace. The secret to achieving any goal is to break it down into bite-sized pieces, because by doing so, you make it achievable. Small achievements add up to a big change. Your habits reshape your identity in a gradual way. It's slow and nearly impossible to see. You can rarely tell a difference between who you were yesterday and who you are today. But with each step forward, every time you resist the temptation to quit and you choose to stay lined up with what you want, your internal story begins to shift. And as you continue to breathe, scanning over all of your mental to-do lists and your must-accomplishes for the day, I want you to take a moment to just pause in the stillness. And as you sit, bring a goal that you want to achieve to the front of your mind. And now, as if you could zoom out to a bird's eye view of that achievement, I want you to think of one small thing that you could accomplish towards that goal today. Just one thing that feels like a step in the right direction for you. Allow your mind to bring that small thing into focus. And once you have it, gently nod your head to connect your mind to your body. Allow this gentle nod to represent a commitment that you are making to yourself. A promise from you to you that you are on your way to achieving this goal and that you're going to see it through. A commitment to yourself that you will allow great things to happen in your life. And an intentional knowing that the universe wants to support you, and that the answer is always yes. Your entire identity emerges out of your habits and what you do with the time that you have. Even the smallest actions are steps forward in the right direction. And when you think about it, the only thing you really need to be afraid of is standing still. If you enjoyed this meditation, I'd love your support in building this channel. Please like this video and subscribe. I release a new meditation every Wednesday.